Hello po everyone. So my name is Ernesto Batwigas and I'm student of Quezon City University, and I'm discussing or creating this vlog for my final output project in Rizal subject with Sir Wilson Padillon. So this video is about poem of Rizal, one of the poem of Rizal that we're going to discuss and critics. So, yung title ng aking napiling poem is Ala Juventud Filipina. In English, it is To the Filipino Youth. So, the meaning of the title or yung title is about sa youth, which is direct to the point. Para kanino yung poem, para kanino yung message ng poem, para kanino yung context ng poem. So, wala akong masasabi dun sa title kasi it is direct to the point and wala nang paligoy-ligoy pa, diba? So, alam mo kagad kung ano yung kakalabasan or kakainatnan ng poem. Ngayon, the theme of the poem is empowerment or enlightenment the Filipino youth for pursue the education, kasi yun na yung magiging foundation natin para ipaglaban or ipaglaban yung karapatan natin na makapag-aral during the Spaniard period. So next is the message of the poem. Yun na, yung message ng poem is for youth. Ang kabataan ng pag-asa ng bayan, Rizal is trying to enlighten, or he wants to enlighten the Filipino youth that hindi hadlang yung oppression na dinadanas nila during that time, for them to achieve their goal, to be educated. Ayan. So, yung context ng poem is sinulat siya ni Rizal noong 1879. And to give you a short story, itong poem na to is piece niya or ginamit niya sa isang contest as a student ng Santo Tomas. And nanalo siya ng first prize. And then yung relevance ng poem at the present, to be honest, parang problema pa rin naman ng mga kabataan yung education. However, it is not the same scenario. Hindi siya kagaya ng dati na like oppression, pinapahirapan yung mga Pilipino. Ngayon, ang kalaban ng mga kabataan ngayon is like the technologies and poverty. Ayun. So, overpopulation dahil sa freedom na natatama natin, and yung mga magulang is hindi na nila nasikaso yung mga kanilang anak, napapariwara. So, at the same na or relevance niya is still this message will apply up to this day, na dapat na empower natin or na enlighten natin yung mga kabataan upang kapagtapos ng pag-aaral, and para rin naman sa kanila yun, diba? So yung historical background of the poem, sinulat ni Rizal nung Spanish colonial period in the Philippines. And yun nga, dahil sa ang mga Pilipino is nakakaranas ng oppression by colonial policies and lack of national identity. So Rizal writing this poem to reflect the beginnings of the Filipino intellectual awakening. So ginigising niya yung mga Pilipino for the desire of the reforms. And by dedicating this poem to the youth, Rizal underscore the role in achieving liberation and progress. Even bago pa yung mga Filipino Revolution na ma-unfold. Kasi bata pa naman siya nito eh. So yun. Yun yung historical background of the poem. So yun lamang yung aking sasabihin sa vlog na to. So thank you for watching.